Paul Ross presents 27 First Avenue, Bassendean. If you're looking to secure your first home, a solid investment opportunity, or simply looking at downsizing, look no further than this very well-maintained, solid 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home. It's the perfect entry ticket into Bassendean. Sitting on a 494 square metre block, the home has been freshly painted and boasts a floor plan that includes a separate lounge room, a spacious meals kitchen area with gas cooktop and electric oven, a range hood, a dishwasher, plenty of bench space and cupboards galore. Step outside to find a large paved entertaining area which overlooks the lush backyard that has plenty of room for the kids or grandkids to run around. There's a separate veggie patch to grow your own fresh produce, and both the front and back lawns as well as the gardens are reticulated, making it easy to maintain. Close to the Bassendean Railway Station and a multiple of local schools, you are only a short distance to the local shopping precinct and Bassendean Oval, only minutes away from the Swan River, Guildford and Swan Valley. With quick easy access to the Perth airports and Tonkin Highway north and south, this little ripper won't last. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.